Friends, Israel and North Korea are both extremely dangerous military powers in their own ways. But when it comes to comparing their military strength, which country has the edge? Let's find out. First, let's talk about land area. If we look at the map, North Korea is a country located in East Asia with a total area of approximately 120,538 square kilometers. Israel, on the other hand, is a small but highly powerful country located in the Middle East, with a total area of about 21,937 square kilometers. If we talk about their capitals, Pyongyang is the capital of North Korea, while Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. In terms of leadership, North Korea is led by its supreme leader Kim Jong-un, while Israel is led by Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Now let's talk about population and economy. In terms of population, North Korea is ahead with around 26 million people, while Israel's population is approximately 9.4 million. This means North Korea has a larger workforce and manpower base than Israel. However, when it comes to the economy, Israel is far ahead. Israel's nominal GDP exceeds $540 billion, while North Korea's GDP is estimated to be only around $20 to $25 billion due to heavy international sanctions. In other words, in terms of economic strength and per capita income, Israel is significantly wealthier and more powerful than North Korea. Now let's talk about defense budgets. North Korea's estimated defense budget is believed to be around $4.7 billion, although the actual figures remain largely undisclosed. Israel, on the other hand, has a defense budget of $34.6 billion. This means Israel spends several times more on its military than North Korea. According to the global firepower rankings, Israel is ranked 15th in overall military strength, while North Korea is ranked around 31st. Now let's look at military manpower. North Korea possesses one of the largest standing armies in the world. Israel has approximately 169,500 active duty personnel, while North Korea has about 1.32 million active duty troops. In this category, North Korea holds a significant advantage over Israel. In addition, North Korea has around 560,000 reserve personnel and approximately 100,000 paramilitary forces under the Worker-Peasant Red Guards. Israel, by comparison, has about 465,000 reserve personnel and 35,000 paramilitary personnel. When it comes to ground weapons, North Korea has a major numerical advantage. North Korea operates 4,895 tanks, while Israel has approximately 1,300 tanks. North Korea also has around 47,792 armored vehicles, while Israel fields approximately 62,380 armored vehicles. Israel possesses 323 self-propelled artillery systems, 171 towed artillery pieces, and 228 multiple rocket launcher systems. In contrast, North Korea holds a significant advantage in artillery, with approximately 1,300 self-propelled artillery systems, 700 towed artillery pieces, and 1,500 multiple rocket launcher systems. Now let's look at air power. In terms of total aircraft numbers, North Korea operates approximately 837 aircraft, while Israel has 597 aircraft. However, when it comes to technology, Israel is in a league of its own. Israel operates 239 fighter jets, including highly advanced aircraft such as the F-35 Ayadir and F-15. North Korea, meanwhile, has 341 fighter aircraft, but most of them are aging Soviet-era platforms such as the MiG-21 and MiG-29. Israel also fields 127 helicopters, including 48 attack helicopters such as the Apache. North Korea has 205 helicopters, including roughly 20 older attack helicopters. Israel also holds a clear advantage in aerial refueling in special mission aircraft. North Korea has little to no aerial tanker capability and very few special mission aircraft, while Israel operates 13 aerial tankers and 19 special mission aircraft. Israel has 14 transport aircraft and 148 trainer aircraft, whereas North Korea has 1 transport aircraft and approximately 176 trainer aircraft. Now let's move into the depths of the sea. When it comes to total naval fleet size, North Korea has the advantage. North Korea operates a total of 332 vessels, including various types of boats and warships, while Israel has 82 advanced naval vessels. As for aircraft carriers, neither country operates an aircraft carrier, with both having 0 carriers. In terms of submarines, Israel operates 6 advanced Dolphin-class submarines, while North Korea has approximately 24 submarines. In addition, Israel has 0 destroyers, 0 frigates, 7 corvettes, 66 patrol vessels, and 0 mine warfare vessels. North Korea, on the other hand, operates 2 destroyers, 2 frigates, 8 corvettes, 227 patrol vessels, and 1 mine warfare vessel. Now let's talk about missiles. Israel possesses highly capable ballistic missiles such as the Jericho-3. Meanwhile, missiles are the backbone of North Korea's strategic arsenal. North Korea operates intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, such as the Hwasong-17 and Hwasong-18, which are believed to have the range to reach the United States. For protection against air attacks, Israel fields some of the world's most advanced air defense systems, including the Iron Dome, David Sling, and Arrow 3. North Korea, meanwhile, relies on indigenous systems such as the Pongyi 5, along with older air defense systems acquired from Russia. Friends, modern wars are increasingly fought with drones. Israel is a global leader in drone technology and operates highly capable systems such as the Heron and Hermes drones. North Korea, meanwhile, has recently showcased new indigenous drones, including the Morningstar series. Now let's talk about the power that no one wants to use, nuclear weapons. Both countries are believed to possess nuclear capabilities. According to estimates, Israel has approximately 90 nuclear warheads, while North Korea, a declared nuclear power, is estimated to possess around 40 to 50 nuclear warheads. When it comes to logistics, Israel has 40 airports, 41 merchant marine vessels, 5 ports and terminals, a labor force of 4.7 million people, and more than 20,000 kilometers of roadway network. North Korea, on the other hand, has approximately 81 airports, 264 merchant marine vessels, 10 ports and terminals, a labor force of over 17 million people, and around 25,000 kilometers of roadway network. Based on all these figures, it can be said that North Korea is a formidable military power thanks to its massive armed forces, extensive artillery, and nuclear missile arsenal. Israel, meanwhile, is regarded as one of the world's most sophisticated and effective military powers because of its advanced technology, F-35 fighter jets, world-class air defense systems, and highly advanced intelligence capabilities. So, in your opinion, which country is more powerful? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.